Imagine walking into a store, a factory, or even your home and being greeted by a robot that looks, walks, and works like a human. In 2025, humanoid robots are no longer just science fiction. They're being tested in industries worldwide, and many wonder, are they here to help us or replace us? In this video, we'll explore the rise of humanoid robots in 2025. We'll break down how they work, the companies building them, the industries adopting them, and whether humanity is truly ready to share jobs and life with machines that look like us. Humanoid robots are designed to move and interact like humans. Unlike robotic arms or machines in factories, they walk on two legs, use arms to carry or build and even mimic facial expressions. The goal is not just functionality but relatability, so humans feel comfortable working with them. Several big players are pushing humanoid robots in 2025. Tesla's Optimus. Elon Musk revealed prototypes that can walk, lift objects, and even do basic tasks like carrying boxes. Figure AI. Their Figure 01 robot is already being tested in warehouses for logistics and assembly. Agility Robotics. Their robot Digit is being rolled out by Amazon for warehouse work. Apptronic. Their Apollo robot is focused on industries like retail and hospitality. Even governments are investing, with countries like Japan and South Korea leading adoption. Humanoid robots aren't just experiments, they're already being put to work. Warehouses, lifting, sorting, and moving heavy goods. Retail, greeting customers, stocking shelves, and assisting shoppers. Healthcare, assisting the elderly or disabled with daily activities. Military and disaster response, performing dangerous tasks in places too risky for humans. It's clear these robots are moving from labs into real jobs. But with rapid adoption comes big concerns. Jobs. Will humanoid robots replace millions of workers in factories, retail, and delivery? Safety. Can we fully trust robots walking around humans? Ethics. How human-like should they become? At what point do they cross the line from tool to something more? Experts predict that by the 2030s, humanoid robots could become as common in workplaces as computers are today. They won't replace humans entirely, but they'll handle repetitive, dangerous, or physically demanding jobs. And in homes, robots may one day cook, clean, and assist families just like in science fiction. Humanoid robots in 2025 are still limited, but they're evolving fast. From Tesla's Optimus to Amazon's Digit, the age of robots walking among us has officially begun. The question is, will they be our helpers or our replacements? Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more futuristic tech updates.